ARNO Token, big things are happening right now, and I think you guys should get ready because you'll be surprised. And welcome to the Crypto Lounge. By the way, I'm Doc Vince, a medical practitioner, doctor, and a blockchain advocate. And for this segment, we will talk about the Arno project. So if this is your first time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that every time we do a live broadcast or upload videos, not just about health, also with blockchain, you will be notified. And our topic for today is Arno project, Arno token. And like I said, there's so many things going on in the space of Arno project. And here with me to share the updates of Arno is the CEO of Arno Token, Mr. Artem Zhdanok.
See you. I'm glad to see all and hope you can send him a well too. Yes?
Yes. Now let's go straight ahead to what is happening for Arno project.
You see, within the last week, we as a project have started the IEO procedure. That is, we are already traded on 4 exchanges for the first time on 4 centralized exchanges like Indox, Windox, P2P, B2B, and banks. It's not so huge cryptocurrency exchanges, but in the first 1,000 within the cryptocurrencies. But today, maybe at this moment, I wish to speak about our goals before IEO procedure and our results before the IEO procedure, because it's a very important moment for us to deliver to you the clear understanding of our position before the cryptocurrencies uh, and our destination.
Mhm.
It's we produce a lot of job, a lot of work before we obtain the currencies, cryptocurrencies. And I want to discuss with you about our results for the first
Mhm.
time. It's possible, Vince.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. So, what
Okay,
are the
okay.
results?
It's up to date at the moment. I repeat, at this moment. We will have to distribute through our website about 880,000 approximately our ARNO tokens of our project, to the wallets of our partners. It's clear that not of all of them, all of it were sold. Some were, some achieved as a bonus, as a referral occurs. We have an airdrop program and bounty program. But nevertheless, we can say with confidence that the amount before IEO was collected, uh, amounting to more than $900,000. It's the result in United States dollars sum of preliminary pre-IEO stage, 2 stages, if will be correct. It's a very huge sum, I think so, and for a project like our project, and of the amount I mentioned, about a quarter went to the IO and listing procedure after IEO on the some centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Not only for those four Uh, Exchanges where will take place now, and this amount will increase, of course, because we wish to achieve more, of course, and will increase by 1.5 times maybe. Because large exchanges take large amounts of money, of course.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I have, of course, no rights to name the exact amounts. Uh, you yourself understand. It's an NDA, but nevertheless, it's a large sum. Very. Second, slightly more than half. It's planned operating expenses, including advertising, plus the cost of already concluded and partially executed contracts for the deployment of production and, in fact, our current work process. You see, right now, we as a project oriented at the real production of real facilities in the energy area, the production of secondary power sources for home and self-industrial applications, from 10 to about maybe 5,000 kilowatt capacities. It's from home with solar panels to some green energy like an air wings. Okay. And I wish to see that in the bottom line, at the end, at the begin of IO process, we have at the moment about $100,000 free for produce next steps in our project.
Mm.
Um, this is exactly how much we exceed our the most optimistic sales forecasts. Because we plan to obtain some less amount, of course.
Right.
Yes, it's clear. Uh, Now I'd like to move our operational costs. You should know where we spend your money. Uh, to operating costs, equipment supplied, and production itself.
Mm-hmm.
As I mentioned above, more than half of the amount received was made up of operating expenses. This includes expenses for the maintenance of the management company, the staff, contribution to a subsidiary company. You may see that now we are creating a second full-fledged research and development independent enterprise. It's our plan, advertising cost, and all sorts of small things. But the most of our expenses, about 90% approximately, of our operating costs, are contracts for the design, manufacture, and supply of equipment for the production, for example, of our carbon nanomaterials, our substances,
Mm-hmm.
and from which we create additives that allow us to interest lead acid battery manufacturers in terms of producing a new generation of these well-known energy sources. Because our aim to increase the efficiency and lower the cost of standard lead acid batteries produced with standard technology by with our nanocarbon editions, and use it after in our own production like home secondary power sources. By now, uh, and this has already been covered in our newsletter, for example. um our subsidiary company, you see, we have now a joint company with one of the hugest European manufacturer of lead-acid batteries, Monbat. We have a joint company to produce the nanomaterials and produce our additives. Then they after use in his production. So by now, our subsidiary company has already received equipment and materials for the production of additives. Uh, I may, you see, actually, they have already been posted on, for example, all materials about it, all custom decoration, CMO, safety sheets, and so on, so on. So, already been posted on our, for example, Telegram channels. But right now, it's already received, and we work with. Right now with an assembly of our production line, first production line. It's the result of our previous work before the IEO. Right now we at four, as I mentioned above previously, four exchanges, and that's right.
Yeah,
The
we
first
have.
step is the first step to the open market, only for IIO procedure.
Okay,
It's an initial exchange offering.
initial exchange offerings. Okay,
Yes,
perfect.
not
And
not listing yet before the because the listing only after this procedure.
okay, thank.
And
Oh,
listing will be at more amount of centralized cryptocurrencies and at least one decentralized. It's Uniswap.
yes, in Uniswap. Okay, so
Yes.
I'll be asking from you, Artem, those links so that our viewers can see it.
All links we have at our website. Yeah, yes, of course, it's the first page of our website because it's very important for us. But you, as a customer, may, for example, purchase the ARNO from the site directly. But the price is exchange price,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
exchanges prices. It's fixed right now in
Perfect.
all process.
So this is what I'm gonna do. Other than the links, I'll just direct you to the website to all our
Okay.
viewers. I'll
Yes.
just direct you to the website of Arno Project, and everything is there, and you get the updates plus some tips that you could take advantage of. So please go to the website. And I guess that's all. Artem, thank you so much again for being here.
Ruins.
And we will do this from time to time so that our audience, those who are going to, probably think about put thinking about Arno projects, you will be updated and what's going on with the Arno project space. So
It will
thank
be
you.
glad for us to speak with you anytime.
Pleasure is mine, my
For
friend.
me, mainly.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you,
Bye.
and God bless you all.
Bye.